Hi guys, welcome to my channel Lush Gardener. I hope you guys are fine and are safe. In today's video, we will be talking about grow lights. I know a lot of people were curious to know how these grow lights tend to work because I keep talking about it every now and then. That in case if you're not able to grow succulents outdoor, you can always grow them indoor provided you have a good quality of grow light. Now unfortunately, most of these clips and photographs are going to be repetitive because this is not my setup. Now it was very kind of one of my friend to share her setup, so this entire setup has been created by her. It's more of a DIY thing. So with this you'll be able to get a very good idea of how you can set up your succulents under the grow light. I will also put the link of the light that has been used in the description below. You can check it out. It was from Amazon. Now you can see all of these succulents are doing absolutely well. Now I have been bugging my friend every now and then to give me updates because it was almost a month that she has been growing the succulents under the grow light, and you can see they are doing extremely well. So I didn't want it to be in a hurry before coming to any conclusion, so I waited for a month. Now this setup that you're seeing right now, the clip that you're seeing right now, the succulents have been under the grow light for almost a month and you can see they're doing extremely well. Now if the grow lights wouldn't have worked, it would have just taken a couple of days that the succulents would have stretched. But over here you can see even after a month the succulents are very compact. In fact, they have that coloration also, which indicates that the grow lights are working fantastic. So let me give you a little bit in detail about these lights. Now these lights have been purchased from Amazon. When you purchase this product, you're going to get a set of two lights, which are the LED lights. I will put the watts on the screen because I don't remember how much watts of light was it. But I'm going to put it up on the screen and you can check the entire description. Now, talking how high these lights have been placed. Now earlier, because the succulents have to get acclimated, you cannot put them directly under the grow light. So my friend advised me that she had kept the lights around 15 to 20 inches initially for a couple of weeks. Probably for 1 to 2 weeks it was kept around 15 to 20 inches, and as the succulents were getting acclimated, she started to lower the lights. And right now in this video, when you're seeing, the lights are around 8 inches above the succulents. Now all of the succulents are acclimated. Ideally, just like how if you do not acclimate your succulents and you put it out in direct sunlight, the leaves of the succulent will get burnt. The same thing applies if you do not acclimate your succulents. You put your succulents directly under the grow light, and if the grow light is too close to the succulent, then the leaves of the succulent will get burnt. Apart from that, you also need to understand which are the succulents that love direct light and which are the ones that prefer a minimum low light. Like for example, Haworthias, you cannot place your Haworthias directly beneath the grow light, very close to the grow light, otherwise they will start to turn brown. So all of your other succulents like Graptopelaums, Graptoverias, Echeverias, Sedums, Crassulas, you can keep them a little bit closer to the grow light because they prefer a lot of direct sunlight, or they would prefer that good amount of the grow light. But again, you have to adjust according to your requirement. Here in this video that you're seeing, the grow light is around 8 inches above the succulent. So now that we know that it has to be slightly above your succulents and not very close to your succulents, otherwise the succulent leaves will get burnt. Another frequently asked question is how long the lights have to be on. Now my friend tends to keep them on for around 9 to 10 hours and then tends to switch it off. Apart from this, a lot of people are also very curious to know, and even I was very curious to know, if that would affect the electricity bill. And to her surprise as well as my surprise, she said that it was a very small nominal fee. Even though keeping the lights on for 9 to 10 hours for an entire month, the fee was very nominal. So if you want to try this out, if you can't grow your succulents outdoor for whatever reasons, let's say because of lack of space or because of extreme temperatures, maybe during summers or maybe during winters, and you want to move them indoor, then I think this is going to work out really well. So as you can see, even it's not going to incur a very large amount on your electricity bill. Apart from that, it is just like a one-time investment that you can use these lights. Now definitely there are more lights available on Amazon, but this is all what I could get because the succulents are doing extremely well. As you can see in the pictures, in the videos, all of the succulents have retained their color. They are still very compact. They are growing very well, which means that the lights are doing extremely well. So if you're not able to grow them outdoor, I think this is one of the best option. If you do not have much light, this is a best option that you can try. use a good quality of grow light. Now not only you can grow adult succulents, you can even do leaf propagations under them, but the only thing you have to ensure that you adjust the light accordingly, because as you know that the leaf propagations do not like a lot of direct light, so you'll have to adjust the light accordingly. However, you can still do your leaf propagation stem cuttings under the grow light as well. Apart from that, the best part about growing succulents indoor is that they are not going to be affected with the dormant and the non-dormant period. So you can see there are going to be a lot of benefits growing your succulents indoor under a grow light. So guys, I will put the Amazon link in the description below. You can go ahead and review the product and check about all the details in the description. So if you'd like, you can definitely purchase this and grow your succulents indoor. So guys, that's all about the grow lights, and I would like to thank my friend for making this video possible, because she did share this entire setup with me. Otherwise this video wouldn't have been possible. So guys, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please hit the like button. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing to it. Until then, take care, stay safe, and keep propagating.